bekee wa agbara bekee wa agbara abụkwana n'ọnụ ọhịa menwuru can tell. Ịghọtago? Every minute, every year, every seconds, they are thinking about the future. They are thinking about the future 10 times more than African people. That's why they are all advanced. These people are all advanced in every nature of life. The same way eji egbu akwụ na Africa bụ the same way eji egbu akwụ today. But them, that way eji wee rụọ Mercedes Benz na Germany in 1880 something. Abụzị the same way egechiga arụ ya this time around. Finally brand so many things they are used every time, every day. But here in Africa, we keep on going backward. Things are happening. Look at what's happening here. Look at the new design of doing roofing. Look at what they are doing here. Just watch the video to the end and see for yourself. And see the reason why people are the best. Share this video. Share the video.